Hi, my name is Raf and welcome to another video. Today in this short video I want to talk about the GoPro vlogging setup. So basically I'm using my GoPro for a while and sometimes I'm using it for vlogging as well, which is a great tool if you want to do vlogging, and if not you can use it for other shootings or other purposes. So I'm going to show you in this video what gear I'm using and how to use this little camera for vlogs. And before we move forward, thanks a lot for new faces for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that. If you are a new visitor to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Any questions, ask in the comments, and thumbs up as well if you like this video. If not, still let me know in the comments why now. And yes, let's move forward and we'll talk about the GoPro vlogging setup. So this small camera, my little camera for vlogs sometimes I'm using my M50, which I'm recording right now. I want to upgrade my camera, so fingers crossed. And anyway, we'll talk about this little GoPro and how to use this as a vlogging little camera. So first of all, you'll need a tripod, little tripod. I know you can use this little handle tripod. It's not a tripod, it's a little handled, I'll call it. It's a great tool. You can use it to record it yourself. Nothing wrong with this one. But what I hate about this one, I've never used it, because if you, let's say you want to put this on a table or somewhere, just you want to have a seat and just show something, or you want to have free hand, it doesn't have legs, so you can't put this one on the floor, on the table. So I found this one a bit useless. So I purchased this little tripod. I think I've talked about this one in previous videos, how useful this one can be, like shooting time lapses, doing vlogs, and many more, taking pictures as well. So this one, it does extend a bit, not much, just a bit. If you want to maybe to go take a photo or selfie from distance, or you maybe want to shoot yourself from distance, which I found a bit unnecessary. And also it has legs, so you can put this one on the floor. Just 1 second, it's a bit struggling here. So it's really handy. I've used this one to record some time lapses on the beach, and as you can see here, it does extend. You put it on the table and it stands. It's really good if you want to put on the side and record yourself with the GoPro. Also, it's really good. You just need to make sure it has the right adjustments so you can fit also the media mode. So this is another important tool if you want to do vlogs. It's a bit expensive for what it is. I think I paid now around £60 for this one, but it's a good tool if you do vlogs with your GoPro. Otherwise, you might look for alternatives. I've tried to buy a case from Amazon, but it didn't work, so I had to send it back and just buy the right tool. With media mode, if you do vlogs, it's alright-ish. If you want to record yourself for a bit further away, you might need additional mic. So example, I'm using the DJI mic to record this video. And if you want to record a video from further away, you will need a different mic, because this one might be a bit too far away from you and the sound quality might be a bit worse. So that's what I'm using for my little vlogging setup. I'm not using as much as I wanted because I tend to use my M50, but I've purchased this media mode just because sometimes I do vlogs and I found that using the GoPro with media mode is quite handy, and it's small, it's not bulky as well. Another great tool for GoPro and doing vlogs, it's this tripod. It's a Manfrotto little tripod. I've purchased this tripod mainly for the bigger camera, but you can use this one for your small camera as well. But anyway, if you're gonna purchase this one, this is a great tool. You don't need anything else apart from this little tripod and your GoPro. It fits pretty well and no issues. It's quite solid. The quality is not bad and it's not expensive. It's much better than this one. So if you want a better vlogging setup, I would say GoPro 12 or any GoPro will do. do not forget about media mode and this little tripod, which is quite handy. So as I said, it's a great vlogging setup. You don't need anything else, it's just 3 tools. And additionally, if you want to record yourself from further away, just invest in DJI Mic. So as I said previously, them 3 tools are really great vlogging setup for the GoPro. You just need a GoPro, any GoPro will do, a media mode for the GoPro, and a tripod, a mini tripod which you can use it as a handle, and also you can put down on the floor to record yourself. If you want to go more further, like to buy a mic, I would recommend to check the DJI Mic because they're great tools and the sound quality, it's alright. And as you can see here, I'm recording this video using my DJI Mic 2. So if you like the sound quality, this is what it's recording right now. So just to finish this video, I'm gonna show you how it looks, the GoPro with media mode and this tripod together. So first of all, I'm gonna remove this little door from the GoPro, just a bit, that's it. And now I'm gonna open the little door from this media mode. Just, you need to be really careful. If you buy this media mode, just be really careful so you don't damage this little door because it looks fragile. Then after that, you just install the GoPro inside the media mode, and we're gonna go like this and open. You close the door, and that's how basically it looks. Now we're gonna put on this little tripod. So first of all, open this little things, that's it. And what you just do, you just put here, screw it up, and that's pretty much it. It's nothing complicated, it's pretty much straightforward, and that's your GoPro vlogging setup. You don't need anything else. If you want to get additional lighting on top, if you want to do vlogs inside the room, you can just purchase additional lighting for the GoPro, which you can put on top here and just record it out. But that's how it looks. As you can see here, it's pretty good, solid, and if I want to extend, I will just extend it. That's it. And if you want to record from a bit further away, you can just do like that. If you want to put on a table, it's pretty much easy. You just put it down on the table and just record yourself. It's a bit, and just let you know, this little tripod is a bit uncomfortable to extend the legs, but apart from that, it's good. So we just put like that and just record what you want to record. It's pretty good, it's pretty solid, but that's my GoPro vlogging setup. And if you're looking for a GoPro vlogging setup, I would say the media mode, a little tripod which you can have extendable legs, is a way to go, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. The media mode may cost a lot of money, but then you get what you pay for. So I would say if you want to do vlogging with your GoPro, I would say purchase the media mode because you'll be able to attach additional mics like DJI Mic, which is pretty handy. So that's pretty much what I wanted to talk to you about today. I want to talk about different things, but then I ended up making this short video just because I have I don't have really a lot of time, and you know, everyone's busy in their lives, and that's pretty much it. And if you made it till the end, feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well. If you like this video, thumbs up, as I said. Any questions, ask in the comments. I will be really happy to read your comments, and do not be shy. So thanks a lot, and I'm gonna see you next video.